just walk here and be like, take my money, I'm here. So
Exactly.
that's all like, just have an idea and just bring it to life. I don't think there's any other field you could do that except computer science.
You get to sort of put it into new projects and new project ideas.
So during the course, I've really enjoyed the object-oriented programming with data structures and algorithm model. Really, really cool and interesting things. That particular model really helped me to improve and get better. So what about you?
Personally, one of my favorite modules currently is the project management research methodologies.
Projects, all of them are based on practicals, basically.
But that's another reason why I also joined USW, for the practical sense.
Exactly.
There's so many practical projects in USW we do. It's amazing.
So I consider the lecturers as a very, very beneficial assets to the student.
USW teaches you a wide variety of information that's used for computer science. And so expanding your skill sets or expanding your qualifications makes you more appealing to job offers.
So my plan when I finish my program at USW, I'm hopefully targeting quantitative firms, basically hedge fund firms or big tech. That's what I'll try and target.
Yeah, maybe in the near future I may take them opportunities to make my own research.
Okay.
And
Deloading.
exactly. And PhD is definitely a considerate, I'm thinking.
Just do it. Don't even think about it. just walk here and be like, take my money, I'm here. So that's all like, everything is built on top of computer science. You can basically go anywhere. You can branch into whatever field you want to branch into.